In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert, edit, or shorten a hyperlink URL in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a spreadsheet for a project, collating research links, or just trying to keep organized with your data, knowing how to effectively use hyperlinks can make your workflow much smoother. Let's get started by opening up a Google Sheet. If you already have a specific sheet that you're working on, go ahead and open that. If not, just create a new one by heading over to Google Sheets and selecting Blank or Template Gallery if you're after something specific. Once you're in your sheet, locate where you would like to insert a hyperlink. Click on the cell where you want the link to reside. Then, direct your attention to the top of your screen and click on the Insert menu. In the drop-down that appears, you'll see an option simply labeled Link. Clicking on this will open a small dialog box. Here, you'll enter the hyperlink URL you want to insert. You'll also have the chance to customize how the text is displayed in your spreadsheet. Enter the URL in the provided area, and in the text field, type how you want this hyperlink to appear. For instance, you might want to display a clean title or simply the word link instead of the full URL. Once you've entered this information, click Apply. Now, if you need to edit this link at any point, perhaps to correct the URL or change the displayed text, it's easy. Click on the cell that holds your hyperlink. A small box will appear under the cell showing the URL. Alongside it, there's a pencil icon. Click it. This takes you back to that original editing dialog where you can make any adjustments needed. Whether it's changing the web address or updating the displayed